In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of affiliate marketing and share the top strategies that successful affiliate marketers use to boost their earnings. So, if you're ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level, make sure to stick around until the end. Before we get started, let's quickly cover the basics. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals or companies promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through their unique affiliate link. It's a win-win situation for both the affiliate marketer and the product owner, as the affiliate marketer gets a percentage of the sale and the product owner gains more exposure and customers. Number 1. Choosing the right niche. The first strategy we're going to discuss is choosing the right niche. A niche is a specific segment of the market that you'll focus your affiliate marketing efforts on. It's crucial to select a niche that aligns with your interests, knowledge, and target audience. By choosing a niche that you're passionate about, you'll be more motivated to create valuable content and build a loyal following. For instance, if you're an avid fitness enthusiast, you could choose a niche like fitness equipment, workout programs, or healthy supplements. By focusing on a specific niche, you can establish yourself as an authority in that area. Number 2. Building a strong online presence. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to build a strong online presence. This involves creating a website or blog where you can provide valuable content related to your niche. Your website will serve as the central hub for your affiliate marketing activities, allowing you to showcase product reviews, helpful articles, and recommendations. For example, if your niche is fashion, you could create a fashion blog where you share styling tips, product reviews, and outfit inspiration. By consistently providing valuable content, you'll attract a loyal audience who trusts your recommendations. Number 3. Driving traffic to your website. Now that you have a website, it's essential to drive traffic to it. There are several effective strategies for increasing your website's visibility. One of the most powerful methods is search engine optimization (SEO), which involves optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results. For instance, if you're targeting the niche of organic skincare products, you could optimize your website for keywords like best organic skincare, natural skincare routine, or organic beauty tips. This way, when people search for these keywords, your website has a higher chance of appearing in the search results. Number 4. Building your audience through social media. In addition to your website, social media platforms can be powerful tools for building your audience and expanding your affiliate marketing reach. Identify the social media platforms that are most popular among your target audience and create engaging profiles on those platforms. Regularly post content that resonates with your audience and encourage them to engage with you. This can include sharing product recommendations, behind-the-scenes looks, personal stories, and interactive posts. Respond to comments and messages promptly to foster a sense of community and build trust. If you're promoting fashion products, you could create outfit inspiration posts, style challenges, and even run giveaways or collaborations with other influencers in your niche. Encourage your followers to tag you or use specific hashtags when they try out your recommendations. Number 5. Building an email list. Another crucial strategy is building an email list. By collecting email addresses of your website visitors, you can nurture relationships and engage with them through email marketing. This allows you to promote relevant affiliate products directly to your subscribers, increasing your chances of earning commissions. Let's say you have a cooking blog. You could offer a free recipe book to visitors who subscribe to your newsletter. Once they are on your email list, you can send them weekly recipe ideas along with affiliate links to kitchen tools or specialty ingredients. Number 6. Creating engaging content. Creating engaging content is the backbone of successful affiliate marketing. Whether it's through blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media, your content should be informative, entertaining, and provide value to your audience. Focus on solving their problems, addressing their needs, and recommending products that genuinely benefit them. For instance, if you have a travel blog, you could create destination guides, travel tips, and share your personal experiences. Within these pieces of content, you can incorporate affiliate links to travel gear, hotel bookings, or travel insurance. Number 7. Building relationships with product owners. Building strong relationships with product owners and affiliate networks is another key strategy. By establishing trust and rapport, you may gain access to exclusive promotions, higher commission rates, and valuable insights about upcoming product launches. Reach out to product owners, attend industry events, and network with other affiliate marketers to expand your opportunities. Let's say if you're promoting a software product, you could reach out to the product owner and offer to create a detailed tutorial or case study showcasing the product's benefits. This collaboration could lead to special discounts for your audience or increased commission rates. Number 8. Tracking and analyzing performance. Tracking and analyzing your performance is crucial to maximize your earnings. Utilize affiliate marketing platforms and tools that provide detailed analytics to understand which strategies and products are generating the most revenue. By identifying your top-performing content and optimizing accordingly, you can continually improve your results. An example would be, if you're using an affiliate marketing platform like Amazon Associates, you can track the number of clicks, conversions, and earnings for each affiliate link you promote. This data will help you identify trends, popular products, and optimize your marketing efforts. Number 9. Promote products that align with your niche and that you believe in. The final strategy we'll discuss is promoting products that align with your niche and that you genuinely believe in. As an affiliate marketer, your reputation and credibility are essential. Your audience trusts your recommendations, so it's crucial to only promote products or services that you have personally tried, tested, and believe will genuinely benefit them. When selecting affiliate products, consider their quality, value, and relevance to your niche. Don't solely focus on high commission rates. Instead, prioritize products that align with your audience's needs and preferences. By promoting valuable products, you'll build trust with your audience, leading to higher conversion rates and long-term success. And there you have it. By implementing these top strategies in your affiliate marketing journey, you'll be on your way to maximizing your earnings and achieving success. Remember, it takes time, effort, and consistency, but with the right strategies and a passion for what you do, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, happy affiliate marketing.